We not only satisfy needs of vertical transportation in floors, but also constantly create higher value for customers during the process of enhancing our own value. In 2017, CANNY became China's first independent brand, included in the list of the top 10 elevator manufacturers in the world, with a brand value of 4.363 billion yuan. CANNY ranks forefront among the mechanical brands with leading enterprises of all industries, including CRRC. CANNY, with members of the National Brand Plan, made an appearance in New York's Times Square and helped China brands go global. 20-year-old CANNY grandly held the 20th anniversary celebration and announced that CANNY's 288-meter high test tower, which is the highest one in the world, was officially completed and renewed records, such as the highest test tower in the world and the fastest speed in the world. From made in China to made by China, CANNY made the world see the power of China's brands. From the first listed company of national elevators to the world brand of Chinese elevator, CANNY guided an international era which belonged to China's elevator brands. CANNY constantly strives to become stronger and makes innovations, focusing on independent research and development. CANNY has constantly broken down technical barriers, created numerous miracles in the elevator history of China and even the whole world. CANNY is a leader in China's elevator industry, competes with world-famous brands, and establishes itself in the international market. In the field of the world-class projects, the Zhangjiajie Tianmen sightseeing tunnel and high ladder project by CANNY open up the top of the 6 greatest projects in the world by creating the design, transportation and installation of the first escalator in mass tunnel in the world, which was a cosmopolitan pioneering work, and it had the honor to win the first prize for the Elevator World Engineering Award in 2015, the newly installed escalator. The New Century Global Center in Chengdu is the world's biggest monorail building, the super large urban complex project, and the like brands are located there. CANNY Elevator attributed to match with the value of the world's top-line brands with its high quality and high added value. In Locomotive Tower in Shanghai, a group control of 6 units of per second 6 meters elevators was the first Chinese super high-speed elevator project in commercial use. CANNY Elevator created a pioneer in the national elevator high-end realm with the first speed in domestic. Jakarta International Airport in Indonesia was one of the biggest international air stations in the world, and the CANNY Elevator developed a full set of escalator solutions and solved the mass transportation problems of tourism city Jakarta completely. In the realm of mass public transportation, CANNY made mass transportation solutions for Delhi Metro project in India, which was the world's 7th biggest metro system. Indian Prime Minister Modi invested and took the heavy-duty escalator of CANNY and appreciated it deeply. CANNY also offered 52 units of heavy-load bus-type escalators for Indian railway station passenger dedicated line project and solved the transportation problem of India's high density of population mobility. For the metro transportation network of South Korea, CANNY had provided more than 1,000 units of heavy-duty escalators. Every success of CANNY big project is the trust of every customer for brand value of CANNY. At present, CANNY has established a long-term cooperation relationship with leading real estate enterprises of top 100 and famous elevator service providers among this industry in China and overseas, in order to help CANNY to be an international brand. CANNY is the pride of national brand, achieved the world height of national elevators. Nowadays, the headquarters industrial park of CANNY Elevator is located in Wujiang of Suzhou in Yangtze River Delta, covering an area of 280,000 square meters, with 6 centers and 7 blocks. It, together with CANNY Elevator Wujiang Core Component Industrial Park, Chengdu CANNY Energy Saving Elevator Industrial Park, Guangdong CANNY Elevator Industrial Park, constitute the national industrial distribution of CANNY, with a total land area of 1.41 million square meters, and provided perfect vertical transportation solutions for the global market with its strong industrial power. They were built at the production base of super-large escalators and automatic sidewalks, equipped with world-leading equipment, which formed a perfect industry train from halts to the whole escalators, and reflected the large-scale production strength of CANNY. Relying on integration, CANNY Elevator regarded Industry 4.0 as its standards and created a world-class intelligent manufacturing unit factory, and tried to achieve the manufacturing system of lean production and workshop information. And CANNY made the Industry 4.0 made by China. The manufacturing center produced strictly according to international standards, relying on leading fine workmanship, and CANNY's quality reached and exceeded the purchasing criteria of many countries and districts in the world. It's the first state-level enterprise technology center among domestic enterprises. CANNY successfully established 2 research, development, and testing centers, and the first elevator college, CANNY Elevator College. Which made a breakthrough in the field of Chinese elevator techniques. CANNY concentrates on providing overvalued services for customers. CANNY improved 16 product lines, 42 specifications, and covered 8 application places. She achieved the perfect combination of products and architectures with remarkable quality of safety, comfort, and energy efficiency. CANNY has more than 100 nationwide branch offices, over 500 authorized dealers, and 61 overseas marketing agent networks. She established a perfect global marketing service network and responded to global customers' demands in time. Comprehensively upgraded information management, employ world's leading SAP system. Deepen to apply CRM management system of customer relations, effectively match marketing and engineering services, optimize operational programs online, deepen to operate EOS system of mobile app engineering service management in order to achieve the integrated management of customers, maintenance, and supervision. Comprehensively improve the application of Internet of Things and CANNY Cloud technology. Achieve elevator remote network connection with whole course. Dynamically monitor elevator running, intelligently analyze operating data, proactively monitor and deal with malfunction, rescue of people trapped in elevator, daily management, quality assessment, and risk prevention, providing customers a safe and comfortable space. As the pride of Chinese brands, CANNY has gained attention and encouragement from all sectors of society. During the process of development and expansion, CANNY never stopped giving back to the society. Standing on the peak of Chinese elevator industry, CANNY is always advancing and practicing so as to create higher value and safer and more valuable vertical transportation for customers. World brand leading in China. CANNY Elevator.